Okay guys, so today I've been unboxing some Lockerz again, and this is the Radiosity skin that I redeemed from them for the iPhone 3G or 3GS. They're pretty much the same size. So once again, Lockerz from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and on the front or the back, I'm not sure, it says Lockerz logo, all that and more, Lockerz.com. So now it doesn't look like I actually need a knife for this one. Looks like all you gotta do is pull this up. Kinda ripped it. Not like I'm gonna send it back. Let's get this knife out, let's get this last bit. Let me just double check what's in here. Okay, so slide this all out. Thanks for doing points at Lockerz. Nothing else in here. Righto. So thanks for doing points at Lockerz. Let's read this whole entire thing. Login, shop, connect, yada yada yada. Oh cool, so in 2010, you can earn points by learning and contributing to important causes. Then you can watch exclusive videos, discover new music, play the hottest games, and the rest is all what we already have right now. And this is the terms and conditions on the back. Don't care about that. Put this off to the side. Now this is just your shipping information. You guys don't need to know that. So pretty much this right here is the skin. And it says fits iPhone 3G on the top. Let's try to zoom in on this. Okay. So it's from Decal Girl, and it's an eye skin kit called the Radiosity or Radiosity, something like that. Added bonus, get the whole picture with a free matching background wallpaper available exclusively at getmywallpaper.com, and enter that code in. So this is for the iPhone 3G, not the iPod Touch 2G, which happens to be right here. So here's my iPod Touch 2G, and I'm not sure if this actually fits, if they're the same size or not. And I'm not sure how it's going to go on since I already have a screen protector on here. But let's see what they tell us. Doesn't tell you much. And well, it's got cutouts for the camera hole and the microphone slot. So that's not really good for me. But what I can do with this is I can give this away to you guys. So whoever has an iPhone 3G or an iPhone 3GS, I will be giving this away in my next giveaway video. So next giveaway video is gonna be this really cool Radiosity iPhone 3G skin. This skin, that's pretty much what it looks like. So thank you, Lockerz. I'm gonna be giving this away.